PowerPoint presentation for you. Okay. Now look at here. What is this? What is this? What is this? දැන් කලින් දැක්කින්ද angle කියන්න එපා. මං අහන්නේ මේක මොකද්ද? What is this? It is not an angle. Line. අපි line කියලාද කියන්නේ? Straight line. Straight line කියලාද කියන්නේ? තව කැලක් එන්න ඕනේ මොකද්ද? Curve not. It's segment. නේද? Straight line segment. Okay? හරි. Now what happened? Another straight line comes and intersect the first straight line. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කලින් දැක්කා. හරිද? This is our lesson. If one straight line intersects another straight line, what is formed? What is formed? What is formed? What is formed here? Tell me the word. Angle. Then today our lesson is angles. Okay? Now in grade 6 you have already learned about angles. Now tell me what is an angle? What is an angle? If I ask a question from you, what is angle? What is angle? Can't you say? If, I will help you. If, how many straight lines? Two straight lines. What happened? What happened? What is that word? Intersect. Neither. We call it is an angle. Okay? This is the description. Okay? An angle is formed when two straight lines are intersect at a point. හරි. දැන් අපි 6 දී ඉගෙන ගත්තා මොකද්ද කෝණයක් කියන්නේ කියලා. ඊට පස්සේ තව දෙයක් 6 දී ඉගෙන ගත්තා. මතකද? Type of angles. Type of angles. Okay, tell me. Grade 6. What are the type of angles we learn in grade 6? Straight angle, reflex angle. Okay? Alright. Acute angle. Good. This one? Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Right angle. Those are the names. මේක පුතේ මෙන්න මේ වටේ ටික. Reflex angle. Straight angle. Okay, those are the type of angles we learn in grade 6. අපි ඉක්මනට යමු. Okay? First tell me what is the type of angle A? Right angle. B. This is a branch of a tree. Neither in the environment everywhere we can see there are angles you can see in trees. Okay? D. Acute angle. කිව්ව නේද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? හරි. Then C. Where is C? මේ C තියෙන angle එක. What is this angle? පිටිපස්සට පේනවද? Then D. This angle. Reflex angle. The edges between the edges of the roof you can see each type of angles. Okay? Floor. Me wall එකේ නේද? wall එකේ between wall and the floor you can see. වෙනවද? නෑ. චලනය වෙන්නේ නෑනේ නේද? Not moving. The edges are not moving here. They are fixed. They are fixed. Now, where are the angles formed in scissor? Where are the angles formed in scissor? We can see angles formed. නේද? පේනව නේද කොන හැදෙනවා කියලා. මේක අරකේ වගේ fixed. නෑ මේකේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? Change, moving. Good. Moving. නේද? The arms are moving. If the arms are moving, angle is changed. Okay? Now I have prepared small activity for you. based on this. Okay, I want two groups. There are triangles and rectangles on it. Triangles are in one group, rectangles are in another group. Take one from me. Pens, I told you to bring platinum pens and glue. Come, hurry up, take one. First read it. If you can't understand, I will describe, okay? I will describe. This is the instructions for you. Then there are some instances where you can see angles. Okay? Then මං කලින් පෙන්නුවා නේද ඔයාලට? Fixed and change. නේද? And that is the nature. According to the nature of the angles, you have to separate them into two groups. Draw the how you separate. Draw the ගැන කියන්නේ. හරිද? මේක කියන්නේ the angle between the two spoke of a wheel කියන්නේ bicycle road තියෙන්නේ. bicycle road spoke එක තියෙනවනේ. ඒ spoke දෙක අතර කොහොනේ? එක වෙනස් වෙනවද නැද්ද? එක වෙනවද කියන්න මට? The angle between the edges of a book. Then make groups into two. One is angles changing and angles not changing. Changing angles are kila. Tell the examples. Okay. Angles not changing kila.
Dear principal, today I am here to represent about our hard work in that activity. This is our topics: moving angle, fixed angle. In fixed angle, we got a rooftop. See, do you see? It is an reflex angle. And in moving angle, we had got a scissor. This is a scissor. Now in fixed angle, we had got a window grid. The angle between the iron grill of the window. See, it is an straight angle. In moving angle, we had got an excavator in a backhoe. See, the excavator can hard work today. Thank you. Hard work today. Thank you.
Topics. They select moving angles and fixed angles. Are they? The moving here, where is that scissor? Angle between the scissor. It is moving. Neither. In excavator, the arms of the excavator, they are moving. Then in a roof, they are not moving. They are fixed. Okay, good. Go and sit here.
Present our hard work for our group activity
About angles.
about angles. This is not changing angles, and this is changing angles. Example of not changing angles is the wheel and the book. For changing angles, this is and the door and the clock.
Okay, give them a clap. The angle between the wheels, then book, door and clock. Then when we make clock එකේ මොකද වෙන්නේ? Between the arms of the clock, hands of the clock, always angle is changed. නේද? Is it changed? No, it is not changed. Okay, go and sit down. Dynamic. We call this is the dynamic nature of the angle. Dynamic nature. And always angle is changed. Next one. When we opening and closing doors, what happens? Among these two edges, angle always change. That is the dynamic nature of the between the two blades of the pair of scissors, angle also change. Next one, excavator or backhoe. නේද? මේ backhoe එකේ මේ arms අතර කෝණය මොකද වෙන්නේ හැම වෙලේම? If the magnitude of the angle changes, such type of angles we call dynamic angles. That is a new word for you. The fixed කිව්වා වචනය. මේගොල්ලෝ කිව්වා not changing කියලා. fixed කිව්වා වෙනස් වෙන්නේ නැහැ කිව්වා. අන්න ඒක තමයි මේ මොකද්ද? Static nature of angle. Between the two edges of the book, the angle is not changed. Then next one, they are not changed, the angles. Last one, window grills. Between the grills, the angles are not changed. Those of angles called static angles. Then what are the two type of angles we learned today? Dynamic angles and static angles. What are the examples for dynamic angle? Remember? Scissor, door, clock. Okay. Then what are the examples for static angle? Book, between the edges of the book. Angles between the two spokes of a vehicle. Good afternoon, all of you. Okay, now go to your class.